The Into the Word Bible app has been released. Bible reading. Multiple choice Bible trivia with hints and explanations. Bible memory. Even gracious Havruta family devotions. You can install it by clicking the profile link on our channel. In which verse did Jesus give Peter the keys to the kingdom of heaven? Matthew chapter 16 verse 19. Which prophet was filled with the Spirit of God and came to encourage Asa? Azariah son of Oded. What buildings did Nebuzaradan burn in Jerusalem? The house of the Lord, the royal palace, and all the houses. Which New Testament epistle, known for emphasizing joy, was written from prison in Rome? Philippians. In Psalm chapter 17, according to what did the psalmist say he carefully guarded his ways and did not follow the path of the violent? The word of your lips. What did God say he would do to the wisdom of the wise? Destroy it. Jehovah's law is perfect. What does it restore? The soul. Therefore, being steadfast and immovable, what are you always urged to devote yourselves to? The work of the Lord. As written in 1 Corinthians chapter 8, knowledge makes people proud, but what is said to build up others? Love. How did Titus respond to Paul's request regarding the church in Corinth? Voluntarily went. To whom are we told to do everything wholeheartedly, and not as if for people? As for the Lord. Who was the last king of Judah when Jerusalem was captured by Babylon? Zedekiah. What was the name of the city where Jacob's daughter Dinah was violated? Shechem. Where was Jesus' hometown, where he spent most of his childhood? Nazareth. Which city did David first choose as his capital after becoming king? Hebron. Which region of northern Israel was the main setting for most of Jesus' ministry? Galilee. After the spies inspected Jericho, what did Rahab hang in the window to save her family? A scarlet cord. In whose name did Paul cast out the demon from the slave girl who had a spirit of divination? Jesus Christ. Paul sought glory from no one. What did he compare himself to when he said he became gentle? A nursing mother caring for her own children. In Philippians, what did Paul say the believers in Philippi should live in a manner worthy of with respect to Christ? The Gospel. What was God's response to Jabez's prayer? He granted what he asked for. Even though God forbade intermarriage, what did Solomon do with the foreign women? He loved them. How long did Zechariah reign over Israel? For 6 months. By emptying himself, what form did Jesus take? The form of a servant. What material did King Hiram of Tyre send for David, who wanted to build a palace? Cedar wood. What did Paul say he preached free of charge, humbling himself in order to exalt the Corinthians? The gospel of God. According to Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 7, when should children be taught the law? When sitting, when walking along the road, when lying down, and when getting up. Who did God choose from among David's sons to build the temple? Solomon. To whom did Jesus say, "I am the resurrection and the life"? Martha. What does Paul urge believers to do as they stay alert and stand firm in the faith? Be strong. Who were the sons of Jacob born to Bilhah, Rachel's maidservant? Dan, Naphtali. What was the name of the magician who amazed the Samaritans? Simon. What does it say love does not do when it is rude, self-seeking, easily angered, and keeps no record of wrongs? Evil things. How many years did Amaziah reign in Jerusalem? 29 years. What did Michal, Saul's daughter, do when she saw David dancing and leaping? Despised him in her heart. Who did Paul choose as his new co-worker after parting ways with Barnabas over whether to take Mark? Silas. Into whose kingdom did God rescue us from the dominion of darkness and transfer us? The kingdom of his beloved Son. By what are the righteous said to live? By faith. According to Romans chapter 11, to whom did salvation come because of Israel's stumbling? To the Gentiles. What was the name of the young man who fell asleep during Paul's sermon in Acts and died after falling? Eutychus. Thanks for watching till the very end. We'd love to read your reflections and Bible insights in the comments. Your support through likes and subs helps us produce more Bible quizzes.